Morning everyone, it's Roberto with Roberto's Bird Life. It is early July in the state of New Mexico. I am at Bosque Del Apache National Wildlife Refuge, and it definitely doesn't look like it's July right now. I'm in a rain jacket, but in the state of New Mexico, the month of July is monsoon season. Apparently, it's the rainiest month of the year. So I'm just gonna explore all over the refuge and see what I can find. Got my life for Bell's Vireo. I'm pretty stoked about that. It's a really tiny bird, so I'm having a lot of trouble getting footage of it, but if I get some, I will definitely show you guys. I did not get the Bell's Vireo on footage, but you can hear it singing clips I got of other birds. But another cool thing, I'm at the spot called the Flight Deck, and it's an area I checked out my first time coming here in the winter. And this whole area behind me was flooded. It was a big giant lake and there were lots of ducks. And now it seems to be drained, and there's still a lot of birds though. I'm still seeing a lot of red-winged blackbirds, vermilion flycatchers. There's the Bell's Vireo, some Lucy's warblers, all kinds of stuff. Just hiked the John P. Taylor Memorial Trail. Pretty short little trail. I did see a few birds. A lot of vermilion flycatchers. Such a treat to see every time I come down. Also got some footage of a blue grosbeak. That's always a fun one to see. New Mexico seems to be littered with blue grosbeaks. It's so fun. After hiking the trail, I took the auto route and filmed the next few birds from my view. Morning of Bosque Del Apache. Let me know what your favorite bird was from this video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. As always, thanks for watching Roberto's Bird Life. I'll see you next time on the next adventure.